In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Quickdraw badge on GitHub. Whether you're new to GitHub or you've been navigating it like a pro, earning badges is a fun and rewarding way to showcase your skills and achievements. The Quickdraw badge in particular is one that many users aim for, and today I'll guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's head over to GitHub. If you're not already familiar, GitHub is a platform where millions of developers and companies build, ship, and maintain their software. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll notice a sign in button on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your username or email address and password. Once you've filled in those details, click the sign in button to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. The dashboard is your operations center, showing you a variety of activities related to your repositories and the ones you're following. From here, you'll want to navigate to the GitHub dashboard once again. Though it might seem a bit repetitive, ensuring you're on the right page is crucial for finding your way around GitHub efficiently. Now, let's start a new project by clicking on New Repository. You'll see this option on the dashboard, and it's your gateway to creating a new repository where your project will live. A repository is where all your project files, including the documentation, are stored. Once you click on New Repository, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Pick a name that's descriptive of your project, but also easy for you to remember. After naming your repository, go ahead and click Create Repository. Congratulations, you've just set the stage for your project. Next, within your newly created repository, find and click on the Issues tab. Issues are a great way to track tasks, enhancements, and bugs for your projects. They're kind of like a to-do list where you can organize and prioritize your work. Once you're in the Issues section, click on New Issue to create a new task for yourself. This could be anything from fixing a bug, adding a new feature, or even just a reminder to update documentation. Give your issue a title that clearly describes the task at hand. After you've titled your issue, go ahead and click on Submit New Issue. You've now created a task for yourself, which brings us closer to earning that badge. But here's the kicker. To earn the Quickdraw badge, you need to act fast. The Quickdraw badge is awarded to those who open and then close an issue quickly. So, without missing a beat, click on the Close Issue button as soon as your issue has been submitted. This signals that the task has been completed, and if done swiftly, GitHub will reward you with the Quickdraw badge for your quick actions. And there you have it. You've just learned how to earn the Quickdraw badge on GitHub. This badge not only adds a bit of flair to your profile, but also demonstrates your ability to quickly navigate and utilize GitHub's features. Remember, GitHub is a vast platform with endless possibilities, and badges like these are just the start of what you can achieve. I hope this guide was helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's earning badges, contributing to open source, or creating your projects, GitHub is a space that's as rewarding as it is challenging. Happy coding,